Salamat sa Diyos sa misang ito, no? Ah, Maulan pa rin, no? Patuloy pa rin. So we pray for uh, be careful. It's difficult to get sick, no? We have to be extra cautious. The the first reading, sabi ko nga, 'di ba? Fools, no? Mga hangal, no? We are fools for Christ. Uh, Jesus is inviting us to get out of our comfort zone to go out into the deep, no? Magpalaot, no? It is a fool, no? Sabi ni imagine ang mga ngisda, Peter who was a fisherman uh, was getting instruction from a carpenter. Parang go out into the boat, go out into the deep, you know? Saka hindi gabi, araw, no? Kaya parang it is a foolish thing. There are many, many foolish things in life if we do it my way, no? It is not my way, no? Nung isang araw, sabi niya, what have you do for us, Jesus of Nazareth? Ayaw natin pinapakialaman tayo. Ayaw natin pinakikialaman. Pag hindi tayo pakialam, ako masusunod. But if you put it in the hands of God, it is marami tayong maarating way beyond our awareness if you put it in the hand of God. Ngayon, kapistahan ni Mother Teresa of Calcutta, no? Si Saint Teresa of Calcutta. She was called, no? Nagmadre siya. She went to the order of the Sisters of Loreto. Pumasok siya sa madre. Pero parang tinatawag siya, no? Sa ibang klaseng pamamaraan. So she left that. She went on the streets by herself. Kumuha siya isang bahay, no? Unti-unti. Tapos binuo niya yung Missionaries of Charity. She put it in the hands of God. Siya ang nagbahala. No? Yung ating patron, si San Antonio, di ba? Agustinian siya. Pero may tumatawag eh. Tapos naging Franciscano siya, di ba? Tayo, maraming mga tawag sa atin. We are comfortable in where we are, but we have to go out of our comfort zone, go into the deep. Siya ang bahala. Siya ang mag-aalaga sa atin. And again, no, He will bring us to our dreams we never thought of possible. Kung ibigay natin sa kamay ng Diyos, out into the deep, we will reach our dreams. Kung sigurista, dito na lang tayo, no? Ayaw natin umalis sa ating comfort zone, hanggang diyan ka lang. Hanggang dito lang tayo maabot. But if we put it out into the deep, where God is calling us, wow! No? But it takes a lot of courage. It will take risk. But only this way can we put everything in the hands of God. May the good Lord help us today. We ask Mother or Saint Teresa of Calcutta to help us achieve this. Trust in God, no? Hindi sa ating sarili. Salamat sa paalala sa atin sa araw na ito. Magtiwala tayo at ilagay natin lahat sa kamay ng ating Panginoon Diyos.